toes all the way down.
Oh! Mommy!
Point them down, point them down, point them down.
Oh my! What the?
Up your back all the way to your lower back. Let them go. Point your toes all the way down.
Oh!
Alright? Keep your toes down. You're gonna stay nice and relaxed. Imagine that on your back, relaxing all the way. Keep your toes pointed all the way down. Nothing, you don't feel any tension. Keep those toes pointed down.
Oh, that's already good.
Keep your toes down.